Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. LEAGOO S9 was announced about 2 months ago. The manufacturer says about 65 megapixel Ultra HD shot with 23x zoom. What does it mean? We decided to make first review and find out the main features of new phone. First of all, LEAGOO S9 is a budget phone. Its price is only $150, but right now you can buy it for only $130. The link will be in description. The first feature of new phone is design. It looks like iPhone X with its notch above the display and dual vertical camera on the back. However, today there are many other Chinese phones with notches, so it is not a big surprise. The body of phone is made of plastic and the back panel shines on the sun. Next to the dual camera, there is fingerprint reader and company logo. The front panel has only display and a notch with front camera and other sensors. The smartphone doesn't have bezels around the screen on official photos, but real hands-on videos show that they are. The bezels are not so big, but the fact that screen is not completely bezel-less. Talking about display, there is 5.85-inch diagonal HD Plus resolution 1512 by 720 pixels and 19 by 9 aspect ratio. It seems that user interface is optimized for the notch, so there are no bad icons at the top of display. All Chinese phones have similar hardware. LEAGOO S9 is powered by MediaTek MT6750T chipset, 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. It is budget phone, so you should not expect high performance. Of course, you can play latest Android games, but I think you will need to choose low graphics settings. The smartphone runs on latest Android 8.0 Oreo. The first videos show that it is stock Android system with Google services. One of the main features of software is Face Unlock. Perhaps the battery is the weakest point of LEAGOO S9. It has 3300 mAh battery capacity without fast charging support. The manufacturer says about 1 day on a single charge, and I believe in this. From the other hand, the camera looks very interesting. LEAGOO S9 uses 65 megapixel Ultra HD shots. I don't really understand what it means, but the company says about 23x zoom without losing quality. I don't believe in it, because even flagship phones cannot make 23x zoom image with the same quality as an original size. In general, there are dual rear camera with 13 and 2 megapixel sensors from Sony and 8 megapixel front camera. Later, I will add links in description with real sample photos. So the main feature of LEAGOO S9 is design with a notch like iPhone X and new camera technology with 65 megapixel Ultra HD shot. The hardware, display and battery doesn't differ from any other budget Chinese phones. If you are looking budget Android phone with a notch like iPhone X, then LEAGOO S9 can be a good option. Its price is only $130 and it is one of the best deals on the market. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find links where to buy LEAGOO S9 cheaper. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.